Hello viewer, we are going to create the designs, shapes as well, then make further designs. So fill up the free pen tool. So let's generate use the paint bucket tool. Then we have some more designs as well, and also make a rectangular shape there. Change the foreground color with that. It's a paint as well. So that's it.